Fast and Furious is this? No, that's crazy. Yo, what the fuck? That was a Ferrari. That was our Ferrari, dude, bro. What the fuck? $100 bill.
All right, where are we going right now?
All right, guys, another day. You guys know that we're having our grand opening in 2 weeks now. And I can't believe I'm saying 2 weeks out loud because it feels like it's so close and we have so much to do. 3-part event. We're gonna do the mansion party on Friday night, September 13th, Friday the 13th. On Saturday morning, 8 a.m., we're meeting here at the shop. We're gonna rally throughout OC. We're gonna go to a couple cool spots, and then we're gonna come back to our grand opening. So starting at 8 a.m. will be part 2, which will be the rally, and then from 11 to 2 will be the grand opening here at the shop. But today, what we're doing is we're gonna go check out the mansion that we rented. We're gonna be upfitting this mansion to fit our party, so we have to go in and take measurements, go look around, see what we have access to. The mansion's in San Juan Capistrano. It's about a 20-minute drive. Come with us. Let's go.
What's up, homie? I gotta buy a 488 today.
Are we going to do that?
I mean, I should buy a 488, right?
So me and Daniel are gonna go pick up your new Ferrari.
Yeah.
For you.
Just take it to the
Don't
shop.
you love our car, bro?
It's our Ferrari, bro. What are you talking about?
So they wanted $100,000. I don't like buying cars cash if I don't have to because I like to invest my money. You know?
Yeah.
One time Porsche pissed me off, so I paid cash like over 200 grand for a Porsche, but I was like, fuck, 100 grand. But in Chase, I forgot I have 100 grand sitting there I can go pick up. So I'm gonna go pick it up today.
Oh, you just forgot you had 100 grand sitting there?
Yeah, the account was closed, so I didn't think I had any money in it, but that's a cool come up, right?
That's a badass.
I'd say so.
How are you, Daniel?
I'm Andy. Good.
Nice to meet you.
Front yard and back yard over there.
So right now, if you guys see, the driveway is super long. Like, I'm out of breath. But we can line cars up all the way down the driveway. And then I'm thinking there's going to be like a bar set up here. And just a real cool, chill vibe right in this area. I think we do have access to inside the house, right?
Yeah, we do have access inside the house. How are you?
Good, thank you.
You can put a supercar on the grass?
Good,
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
No, we'll put a supercar, like a Ferrari McLaren on the grass.
Yeah, that would be cool, man.
I'm calling it right now. Someone's gonna fall in this thing.
I don't think we put anyone upstairs. Everybody's downstairs or outside, right? I know it's too much space.
Oh, for me, right off the bat, this beautiful carpet, I don't think we should.
No one on the carpet, right? Yeah, no one on the carpet. Can you get through here though?
Yes, we can.
Oh, yeah, you can. Okay, yeah. So we'll just rope off the carpet right here. They can't go on the carpet. You walk right in. You can sit, chill, play some piano.
Thank you.
Do you play piano?
No, but I actually want to see if I can use this to find the aliens, though. I know they're out there, bro. Elon Musk. He's an alien. I know he is.
You and Elon Musk and
Dude,
aliens.
I know he's an alien, bro. Why do you think he denies that aliens exist? He can't say that they exist because he is one. Think about it. Fucking think about it.
That's true.
So right here, Daniel, we'll rope this off and rope this off. This will be the VIP section. Put the other bartender right here. This is where you can chill, VIP. Yeah.
You guys want to run a video on the screen in there?
Yeah. There's an HDMI cable right here you can plug into.
Okay.
If you have a laptop. Right
So we need to get like a 10-foot or a 15-foot.
Yeah.
So we would either bring it down, drop it down. We can have the computer back here, run the screen. So this video is also going to be for us to remember what we need to do. But I think that would be cool.
And this is audio.
Okay,
Audio's there.
perfect.
You have to turn on the audio, okay?
Perfect.
I have a 4,000 square foot house on a half acre. Plenty big. I get lost enough on that one.
Daniel!
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Look at this mansion, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.
We're gonna rope it off.
Yeah, we should rope it up. There's no point up there.
I mean, the problem.
It looks cool on the map, but we can walk right now. There's nothing going on, man.
Yeah. Now we'll stop it right here.
Hey, almost forgot what I was doing. Almost forgot where I was going. I've been driving, I've been smoking.
All right. So one of the things I learned about Chris early on was when he says he's gonna do something, he's gonna do it, whether that be a good thing or a bad thing. And I don't think that buying a Ferrari 488 is a bad thing. I won't say that, but the man moves. We just bought an R8 last week, and now we're going to pick up a 488. So it's dope. I'm glad that he's in that position in his life to do that. What is that? Parking brake.
Bro, your parking brake's on.
I turn that
Guys,
shit
there's like a million things going through Daniel right now. We're in this boof-ass van because he lost the key to his Lambo, so...
off. Whoops.
We're pulling up to this $1 million meeting in this $1 million car. So.
On top of that, yeah, we're going in for a quick meeting with Eurocar. Eurocar's been like a client of ours for the past, I'd say 4 months since we've been out here in Orange County. And they are a supercar dealership. So they're direct to the clients that we work with regularly. And they've been helping us push product through their sales funnels. But recently we were told that some of the management has shifted. So today I want to go in and meet the new managers so they can know who I am, who we are, and just let them know that we're available. Because we planted seeds in the past with other people there, but now it's time to do it again. That's just kind of the nature of the business, is always staying fresh. So we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna come home with a new car. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I thought we were gonna be driving a Lambo and a 488 home. That's what I thought we were gonna be doing.
That's what I was hoping for, but...
You know, but somebody had to go fucking lose their key. Where did I put it, bro? There it is, bro. Got the HRE wheels already. It looks like it's lowered. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it.
You guys want water or anything?
Good right now. Thank you.
So we're rallying near 100 cars, and we're gonna film it. I'm buying. You know,
How are you doing? Oh, yeah, coffee now. That's what I wanted.
I wanted to fuck with them. They want 100, so I gave them 99,999.99 cents.
You guys are locked in on the port for that car we did to from Phillips Auto. Yeah. Phillips Auto. I haven't bought a car from them since 2016.
Thank you very much for
I
your
sent
business.
Cole information for our party too. Like
Okay.
everybody, if you have nothing to do Friday the 13th, go into the mansion. You can send one cab.
Okay.
I think we can fit like 60, 70 supercars on the drive.
Okay.
So I think we found about 30 or 40 people with like Lambos, Porsches, Ferraris that are coming. So
Okay.
McLaren.
488 Spider. Who would have thought, right?
Fucking Wheeler would've thought.
Little Daniel from Riverside. No, but it's cool though, like when you talk to people and you realize that they knew about our company long before we came in here. So I don't know, I'm hyped. I know we've been doing the right thing for years, and it just seems like it's all paying off, you know? And we're gonna be able to do cool stuff like this. It's just like, I feel super blessed. Very, very thankful.
All my cars are for the people, man.
What happened to your Hummer?
We did donuts.
Oh,
Chris, you're the fucking man, bro. I love you, bro. You're such a pleasure to be around. This guy's insane. Yep.
Yo, that thing is sick. Yo, those wheels are crazy.
Yeah, that's fucking bad, bro.
Yo, is this thing electric?
Yeah, dude, it's Elon Musk.
Why is it so quiet, bro?
Did a collab with Ferrari. It's the Tesla Rari.
The Temerario.
So quiet.
The Temerario.
Temerario.
So what do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it so far. Yeah, I need to figure out how to like use the car.
Yeah. Can we drive it tonight?
You guys can drive it, absolutely.
What in the Fast and Furious is this? Shit. No, that's crazy. Boy, that shit. Oh shit.
Woo! That was dope.
Bro.
Amber, what the fuck? This car is badass.
Bro, what are we doing right now?
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
So if you keep that up, like, it sounds great.
Oh, it's singing to me, bro.
Yes.
Oh! Let's go, let's go.
Come on. I love this car.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Yo, what the fuck? That was a Ferrari!
That was our Ferrari,
Dude,
bro.
what the fuck? That's gotta be Adrian, bro. What the fuck? What is our Ferrari doing now? Bro.
Oh my god.
guaranteed, bro. I don't know what they're doing to that Ferrari, but
It's not us.
yo, we can just blame it on them. Wait, who has our Ferrari out?
I don't know. I bet you this was like, fuck it, you guys. I've been doing so much shit for you motherfuckers. I'm taking the car out.
All right, let's let him pass because he's gonna come around. Oh, what the fuck?
There he is.
Yo, who is in that? Who is it? Can you tell? It's Jesus and Adrian. Bro, what are we doing, bro? Your stream was upside down.
Now just run through the